this is Chriso. What I'm doing now is a very important part of waterproofing. It's called a bond breaker. It's when your walls move to the floor. This stops your waterproofing splitting. So it's a must. It helps out the bandage that I put on. The bandage is another precaution. Where's your gloves, Chriso? And what you do, where are my black gloves? The book of rules says about 12 mil. So if you give it the old thumb like that, that's giving you a nice curve in the bond breaker, which it's getting strength. If you just go with a square spatula, that's a no-no, because there's no strength there. When you've got it curved, there is strength for that wall to move to my floor. I've got to take away this yet. I just haven't got around to it. So you give it the old thumb, which is in your box of hand tools. You give it the old thumb like that, gives it a nice curve. When you've got a curve, it's strength. I'm not worried about that too much. When I put a bandage over it, it's cool, it'll seal it all, and it's above my water line. So it's cool, you know? Stress, don't stress. I just bandage it off, waterproof it. I'll be going up there a tad to waterproof that. 1200, I'll come out. Oh well, my shower comes out to here, so I'll just be doing the whole wall in that. Right, I'll carry on. See, with gloves, I can turn on the camera and turn it off without getting silicone all over it.